I had a pellet in my shoe. Yeah, this video is getting deleted. Ah! Friendly! Ah! Hit me right in the cheek. Oh, hey! Oh, you good, man? You good? That's good, man. That's good exchange, dude. Medic! Got me right in the leg, man. That hurt.
When you ran across, dude, I didn't feel anything, I swear.
Oh.
And I know you hit my gun.
No worries, man. No worries.
For coming out on this unbelievably balmy and humid day at Vykings Airsoft. Thanks for supporting this sport, this industry, this community, and this field. I'm Christopher. I'm the owner of this place. I love all of you. The main goal today is to make sure.
Whoa, that was close. Ah, that's twice. I suck at throwing. Hit, hit.
You hit?
Yeah, he got me. I'm dead, I'm dead.
Did you miss twice?
Well, one of them made it in there. So, that doorway over there in the tower, there's a guy poking out over there. Oh, sure, you stop dancing as soon as I turn my GoPro back on. There you go, keep dancing. Shut up.
We're stuck. We gotta get his fucking dead rag back. Or your dead rag.
It's over there somewhere, I don't care. I got more in the truck. I can get it later. Buzan! Buzan! Oh. Right there by the, he's right there by the canoe next to that dead guy. No, oh, is that him? Oh, what the hell? Who's that with him?
Move up a little bit.
Stop moving. Activate magical unicorn powers. Woo!
Good job.
Dude, I'm just nading full today.
3 kills.
Huh?
3 kills.
3? Off of the 1?
Yeah.
I'll take it. Hey, fellas.
That's what I say. Just keep spamming it.
3 for 3, man. That was a good bat.